Upper body kettlebell exercises can torch your upper body and work your muscles in ways that dumbbells, barbells, and cables can't. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the best upper body kettlebell exercises to unlock strength and have those shoulders performing better than ever. Coming up. What's up? Carl here from Thrive Athletic Online, bringing you the best training tips and tools to help you go further faster on your fitness journey. On this channel, we do a lot of training videos to help you get leaner, stronger, and improve your body's overall performance. So if that's something you're looking to achieve, consider subscribing. Also, any equipment used in this video will have links in the description below. Here are some of the top upper body kettlebell exercises you can do to take your training to the next level. those exercises useful? Question of the day. What is your favorite upper body kettlebell exercise, and what exercise did I forget? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for checking out this video. If you found value, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video. If you want to see more content like this where we give you exercise variations to spice up your workouts, make sure you check out these videos. Until next time, peace.